Nothing will bring you contentment. No amount of wealth, no amount of material items, no motor vehicles, no perfumes, no makeup, no whatever fashion of clothing. Nothing will bring you true contentment besides your relationship with Allah. And I swear this by He who raised the skies without pillars. There's no chance that you can achieve contentment except through the remembrance of Allah and your relationship with Allah. When it improves, you will have contentment, you will be happy. When we are young, we are bubbling with energies and so on. We tend to focus on the wrong things. Those things that are giving you temporary pleasure, those are the very things that will bring about sadness and hurt to your heart, because you've given your heart in the wrong cause. You donated your heart to something material. It became more important to you than Allah. That is why the struggle. So make Allah the most important in your life. See what happens.